Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing another Valentine set using the lazy girl method. So you might notice my natural nails are a little bit yellowish. That is because I applied a peel-off base coat, so that when I'm done with this set I can take it off. I've applied my gel base coat, so I'll cure it for 30 seconds, then we start with the nails. I'll be using this red Polygel from Rosalind, also they are clear, and I'll be using another nude Polygel from Venalisa. I'll also be using these gorgeous sequins as well in red and silver. I actually wanted to use the silver sequins, but I ended up not using them. I'll be doing a red and nude Valentine theme nails again today, because it's the Valentine season and this week is dedicated to doing the Valentine nails series. So we should know the process by now. If you are encapsulating any glitters, you're supposed to apply your base coat in the nail tips, then apply the glitters or whatever you're encapsulating, be it dry flowers or whatever. Cure it for 30 seconds before applying your polygel. Today is the 6th day of my daily upload for this week, and I would like to thank everyone that has been watching my videos, my uploads from the 1st of February till now. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail products reviews, nail tutorials, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. So I started on YouTube by doing acrylic tutorials and simple nail art tutorials, but I discovered a lot of people actually want to be able to do their nails by themselves at home, and this is not possible when you are doing acrylics, or it's possible but not easy. So a lot of people tend to shift towards the polygel system, and that is why I have decided to add polygel tutorials to part of what I do on my channel. So you'll be seeing a mixture of polygel tutorials and acrylic tutorials on this channel. Don't forget to like this video and also leave a comment. You can also share this video with anyone who might be interested in doing their nails at home. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video.
They call me him, no waiting I do it, make I'm not over me. Bangers and plenty, but he leave them and he chose me. Him say I see be no while a girl fit overthrow me. I no go do you corner. Hey, you my true lover. Whether winter or summer, baby, me no go freak out. I know you like Nkechi Jollof. I know you like my beans, you like my beans. I know that she giving you fufu. You put them for my soup, baby. What you gonna do? Yeah, listen. No time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Forget your jumbum. No time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Oh yeah, now tumbum. No time for tumbum. Tig bag. All because of Ileke. Say your baby know where you day so. Johnny leave me follow Cynthia, and I don't know what to do. And he talk say I no do like the way Cynthia they do. Johnny give Uche belle. He talk say he want marry nene. Walk him kedi feneme. Johnny Mo. Baby, you go loving me, your love is sweet like tangerine. Baby, you go hugging me, your love is sweet like. Baby, I go loving you, your love is sweet like tangerine. Baby, I go hugging you, your love is sweet like. Listen, alle, allele, allele, allele. Start the tangele, tupa. Come on, I love you, no be mount, oh, no be mount, oh, eh. Love no be for mount, oh, no be mount, oh, eh. I dey hear the sound of a tambourine, no. Talking drum and shakere combination. I'm taking. Oh no, I'm taking. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh. I'm looking for my journey. Maka say tumbum, where is my journey? Eh, wombo lombo. Say your baby know where you day so, where you day so. See baby, come on, see baby. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh. My tomato just now waiting, they call me. Him no waiting, I do it, make I'm not over me. Fine girls and plenty, but he leave them and he chose me. Him say I see be, no other girl fit overthrow me. I no go do you gonna. Hey, you my true lover. Whether winter or summer. Baby, me no go freak out. I know you like Nkechi Jollof. I know you like my beans, eh? You like my beans. I know that she giving you fufu. You put them for my soup. Baby, what you gonna do? Yeah. Listen, no time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Forget your jumbum. No time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Oh yeah, now tumbum. No time for tumbum. Tig bag. All because of Ileke. Share your baby know where you day so. Johnny leave me follow Cynthia, and I don't know what to do. And he talk say I no do like the way Cynthia they do. Johnny give Uche belle. He talk say he want marry nene. Walk him kedi feneme. Johnny Mo. Baby, you go loving me, your love is sweet like tangerine. Baby, you go hugging me, your love is sweet like. Baby, I go loving you, your love is sweet like tangerine. Baby, I go hugging you, your love is sweet like. Listen, alle, start the tangele, tupa. Come on, I love you, no be mount, oh, no be mount, oh, eh. Love no be for mount, oh, no be mount, oh, eh. I dey hear the sound of a tambourine, no. Talking drum and shakere combination. I'm taking. Oh no, I'm taking. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh. I'm looking for my journey. Maka say tumbum, where is my journey? Eh, wombo lombo. Say your baby know where you day so, See baby, come on, see baby, all because of. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh.
I'll be adding rhinestones on my index finger. If you don't have the gel nail glue that I'm using, you can also use the regular nail glue. If you're still watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below, and you can also turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and also leave a comment. Till next time, bye.
Oh my gosh, oh, oh my gosh, oh, oh my gosh, oh, my tomato just now waiting, they call me. Him no waiting, I do it, make I'm not over me. Fine girls and plenty, but he leave them and he chose me. Him say I see be no other girl fit overthrow me. I no go do you corner, hey, you my true love.